So hi friends, as I told in my past video that I'll be showing you my technique of Ultra DHI, and as we said that the Ultra DHI is different from the DHI because here not only we are extracting and implanting the graft simultaneously, one team is extracting, one team is implanting, but here our implantation technique is different from the DHI technique. We are not using implanters, we are using no root touch technique with the forceps, and we are using slits that we have made very with a lot of precision and with keeping in mind how to give you dense look and a very beautiful look to the hair. So that is done all before we start extraction and implantation. Now as I said, when we use forceps, the results are much faster as compared to with CHOI implanter. We can do up to 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 grafts in about 5 to 6 hours or 7 hours. The whole thing can be finished as compared to the DHI technique. The result of this is the graft growth is much faster, better. The life of graft is longer as compared to we implant the graft after about 5 hours or 6 hours after we extract them. So let's have a look how we do this technique in this video. I'll be showing it to you. Do in a Ultra DHI technique, as I said, is we always make first the slits and holes, and here we are making the slits with the micro blades. And the reason why we make the slits before we do the extraction of the graft is because when we make the slits before, it saves that it reduces the out of body time for the grafts. We can cut down that time because they take 1.5 hours or sometimes 2 hours to make slits. That 2 hours time is saved. We can put the graft quicker by 2 hours if we make the slits before we do the extraction of the grafts. So we have made the strips and now we are going for the extraction of the grafts. So this is the extraction of the graft the way we normally do in NAFU technique. The same technique is being followed here, and now you can see that that one team member is implanting the grafts while the other team member is extracting the grafts. So simultaneously the two things are going on together, that is implantation and extraction. So the other team member are implanting and the graft extraction is also going on at the same time. So we are doing these processes together, and we are using two forceps here for implantation, and no root touch technique is being used. So this is saving the time. This is putting the grafts inside the body as soon as possible. And you see that the way we are putting, we are not touching the roots at all. It's a no root touch technique, and we are implanting the grafts without touching the roots. So this gives us very good graft survival, about 90 to 95% graft survival with this technique, with no root touch technique. The graft handling is even less than what we get with the CHOI implanter. So this method is even more safer and is more efficient than the CHOI method, because in CHOI method the graft handling is more. We have to handle the grafts, we have to fill the implanter with the graft and then load the implanter. So that causes increased graft handling in the CHOI implanter, but here that graft handling is less. The whole idea is that extraction and implantation is going on simultaneously here. Towards the end, when we have extracted all the grafts, the implantation can go on alone, but by the time we finish all graft extraction, quite a large number of grafts had already been implanted inside, and so we can finish the entire implantation
within 3 hours of extraction. That is very important in this Ultra DHI technique. So it is a very fast technique. You see that 4,000 grafts have been implanted within 3.5 hours or within 3 hours. So all the grafts have entered less than 3 hours from the starting. That is our aim, that the graft should go inside the body as soon as possible, and if possible within 3 hours of extraction. So this is the density that we have got. You can see by the end of the procedure. So this is the density. You can look. We have covered with 4,000 graft and with the area, big area. So thank you friends. This is about Ultra DHI. Thank you.